Give me just 3 minutes and I'll show you how to recover your Gmail account safely in simple steps. Yes, if you're not able to access your Gmail account, I'll walk you through the steps that actually works right now. Well, hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Himanshu here. You're watching Get Disease, and before we begin, keep these things ready with you. Your Gmail address, then your recovery phone number or email address, then any of your password that you remember, and the last one is any trusted device that you have used previously to sign into your account. Step 1. Open Google's official recovery page. Just type g.co/recover or go to Google sign in recovery page. Now enter the Gmail address you want to recover. In the password section, type the last password you remember. You can even try an old password to confirm it's your account. So try 2 or 3 guesses before moving on. If this does not help you, just tap on try another way. Google will offer to send a code. Choose your recovery phone or recovery email. Check your SMS or your inbox and enter the code like this. Now you'll be able to reset your password and get back to your Gmail. After which you will be able to reset your password and get back into your Gmail account. Also, if you have two-step verification on, then you can sign in using the backup codes that Google prompts on another signed-in device on your authenticator app. Now here's a tip. Try to recover your account using a device that you have already used earlier. Google checks device and location history. So using your familiar device and your usual Wi-Fi can increase the chances of your recovery. But what if you lost access to everything? No passwords, no recovery email, no recovery phone number, and no two-factor authentication. Well, you can still sign in by answering the recovery question as accurately as possible. It can be anything that you said earlier. It can be your first pet's name, it can be your first kindergarten school's name, or your teacher, your class teacher's name, or your best friend's name. Whatever you remember, you have answered while making the account. Use a contact email that you can access right now, and do not try too many attempts back to back. Take a break and then try again. Google may take time to verify you, so be patient at that moment. Story time. A friend of mine recovered his Gmail by answering the year he actually created his Gmail account correctly, and these small details actually make differences. So here's the outline of the plan that how you can recover your Gmail account with using simple steps. First of all, try your older password, then you can use your email or your phone number to recover your account, or use a familiar device that can actually help you to recover your account. If you set backup codes or recovery contacts earlier, then try using them. And the last hope is still there, answering the recovery question right and correctly. You can watch our previous videos on the same topic for trying more methods. And that's all in this video. If you find this video useful and informative, which it is actually, then what you have to do, just hit the like button, comment down your thoughts and queries. I know you have many queries regarding your Gmail account and other accounts too. So let me know in the comment section. And what else? Just subscribe to our channel for more such content, and I'll meet you in the next one.